Hi, it's the day of my baby shower and I'm really excited as you would be on any of the important day. I have been planning it since quite some time. I actually attended one of my friends and since then I was really looking forward to it and I kind of got ideas what kind of baby shower I want, what kind of decorations I want, what kind of fruits, what kind of gathering. So yes, I think it's really nice to see all of that turning out together and really excited to see all my friends. I hope they have a lot of fun that I am planning to have with them as well. And I hope everybody goes back with a smiling face. I think the most important part about baby shower is the decorations. I really wanted it to be very cute with small little props around and make the environment very baby-like and make it very cute with pinks and blues. So I chose, I had a meeting with the decorators, chose what I wanted, so kind of milk bottles or paper nappies or small little charms written by babies, etc. So looking forward to how it all turns out. I hope it is exactly what it is in my mind and I really want the decorations etc. to be very minimal but very effective and very cute and I hope that's what it turns out to be. It's just another reason to get together with friends. Very few people are coming which are very close to us. So yes, keeping it a very hush-hush affair. Some of my friends are coming, my husband's friends are coming, family friends are coming. So looking forward to the small cute get together and I hope everybody has as much fun as I'm expecting and I hope everybody goes back with a smiling face. So most of my friends are vegetarians, so the food is majorly vegetarian. The starters are a mix of vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Dessert, a beautiful cake is coming. I hope everybody loves it and there's some mango pudding as well for everybody to cherish.
So I've known her for 11, since 11 standard?
Yeah.
How many years? Almost 11 years now.
Let's not count.
Yeah. And it's amazing, like it's an amazing news to hear. I'm the happiest person out here to know that you're going to produce a baby, human being. And yeah, it's a great excuse to come. And because finally we get to meet out of your busy schedule.
Really, yeah. My busy schedule or your busy schedule, I'm under the stars, I guess.
Let's take the blame. And yeah, the decoration is amazing pretty. It's very cute.
बार ऐसे मौके नहीं आते कभी आते हैं तो ध्यान रखना पड़ता है.
Most caring mother in the world.
So I know Swati from London. We studied at LSE together and I was doing my undergrad and she was doing her postgrad and we had a blast there. And like few months ago she told me she's pregnant and I was so excited for her and about the baby and can't wait for her due date and everything. And like 2 weeks ago she told us about the shower and I really couldn't wait for this day.
So I know Swati through Bansi and both of them were really close to each other. So whenever she used to come to Delhi, we used to hang around together and that's how I got to know her and everything about her.
And chirpy little things.
Yeah, chirpy, bubbly. I'm sure
Super
she's gonna
excited
make
about everything.
Yeah, I'm
in
sure
life.
she's gonna make like a
fabulous
perfect mom.
mother.
More like a friend because she looks like a kid on her own.
like-
Yeah.
It's like a kid having a kid.
Yeah.
Like a kid having a kid and kids will take care of
And
it.
you just can't wait for the baby.
Yeah.
It's really nice, it feels great. I met Swati at Mamma Mia's journey as well. So since then we've become really good friends. We talk, we chat and I'm really glad she invited me for the baby shower and the decoration is really pretty, very cute stuff. So I'm also looking forward to my own baby shower now. So all this is making me very excited, and I believe I'm more excited than Swati for her baby shower. So I was just discussing with her how are the arrangements coming along, what have you planned and everything. So it's really nice. I'm loving it.
We are from Sukradoch NC, French specialists in apparels and baby gifts. We are here for Swati's baby shower today, and we have got some special gifts for our baby and some great goodies for our guests too.